Good morning, everyone. This is Mayank Janji here. So yesterday we talked about that this level of 24330 is quite important to be broken, and it actually went. It broke that level. It sustained above that level for some time, and finally closed the day exactly at the same level where we started. So the net outcome of yesterday's market was just a down of 4 points. 3 or 4 points. So it's as good as flat market. Throughout the day, market moved. I think it tried to gather some steam to break the level of that 2, 4, 5 levels that we spoke about. But it failed to do so. But still, nevertheless, able to cross. Cross. I mean, never able to even break 24330 as well. So fine. So we are right now still remain at the tenterhooks. What does it mean? It means that yes, we are right now in a wait and watch mode. Today's news is little worrisome because U.S. and Iran they again have a conflict over in Strait of Hormuz when two of the U.S. Navy destroyers ships were moving and coasting along to join their other ships in the Strait of Hormuz, and that time Iran attacked, through its ballistic missiles, drone, and those high-speed boats. Uh, well, it will definitely, have a impact in the initial opening of the market. Now, if we are long, what we should do, in my view, the strategy should remain same and quite clear. We should just be focusing on the levels. So until it really goes below 24,100, I think we should wait and let's see how things unfold. Trump later posted a message on Truth Social that it was just a love tap. Now it actually is a love tap or a hot encounter between the two in the future. We don't know. Right now, I think both the parties uh, actually, in my view, want a settlement, but at their own terms. So it's more of a right now a battle of egos than the than the real one. So with this, we have to just rather than focusing on what's happening on the war front, which we cannot predict. What we can predict is the mathematics, the levels that we should watch out for, and that's what we should be focusing on. The good thing, if you see the market, I'll show you something. Right now happening is that we are in between all this. We're also making a higher low. So how does higher low means? I'll show you the chart itself. So if you see, this was the first low happened on 30th April. Then another low happened somewhere on 5th of May. Then another low at 6th of May. So we are actually in a nice upward trajectory at the moment. And if we see, right, if we just extrapolate it here, so maybe around 24150, somewhere around this level, we can have another low. And if we see this same level around, we have some support came in the past as well. So but just join everything like that. So I know it looks little crisscross, but this is the level which we can think, and I think we don't want the band lower on it. It's the same level. So 24150, 24100 doesn't matter much. This is where probably the support could come if Nifty opens weak in the morning session today. So somebody is long can actually make a nice second attempt to go long around 24150, and let's say if it goes below 24100, fine, throw the towel with the loss and move on with the life. We'll again have one more trade coming in the future. This is how we should trade on the for the people who are long. Those who are short, in my view, should wait for this to either 24100 to break decisively. It's not can't be just touch and go. If it really starts to settling in below 24100 for some time today for any reason XYZ, that's the way. That's the time I think we should go long. We should go short, and maybe we can have an a level of 23800 coming up pretty soon. And maybe again market will try to take support from there. If you see in the past, it recovered from that phase quite a bit of time. So this is where we should probably look for on the short side. So this is what the hourly chart says. Again, we'll sum up everything together. Daily chart, we are looking to break this barrier of 24600. Well, let's see. I think chances are less for today, but let's see. If it really breaks, I think it will be it would be a wonderful day for the bulls. The weekly chart. Oh, sorry. On the weekly chart, Nifty was supposed until it breaks to about 24800 is where we would be gearing up on the bullish side. Else, for me, 23,500 remains the support. Chances of anything happening this weekend is less. So I mean, this even today, because today last day of the week is less, but still, never say no to anything. So this is level which you watch out for. Summing it everything now, you know, I think everything remains the same. The logic remains same. That 243100 and 24100 both remains crucial as always. We talked about the last time, and this again around the same level. I think so. Everything remains same, and let's see. If anything happens on that side. So if we have to go long, we for we us to if we are already long, then I think 24300 should, 24100 should be my support. Well, if I want to go short, then yes, below 24100 is what I want should be looking at. If it starts to see closure about 24500 by today day end, it will be a wonderful thing happen on the bull side. If it closed below 23800, which again is a little far away, but if it happens, then it's terrible on the. I mean, we have to. It's become a shorting opportunity. These are some key levels you should watch out for. And right now, crude is up. I'll just also show you quickly about the FISDIS data for yesterday. So this is FISDIS data, and yesterday they basically they they covered some longs, they short, the calls by around 50,000 new contracts. They added, puts on the long side, shorted as well. On the future side, they are little like 300 odd contracts they sold. This is how the right now the bar looks like. We're still around hovering around 2 lakhs of short contracts. So FI Zeta is little bearish. It really get better on day for yesterday, but yesterday again they tried to build some short. This is an open interest change data. The good thing here is that on the short side, on the lower end of the strike, like 24,200, we are not seeing any kind of shorts getting traded on the puts. It's little marginal, it's not much. 24,300 is where the concentration is, I think, on the both put and call. So 24,300 is the level which probably it may hold, eventually today. It's a chance. But it's now open does it can change dramatically over the day also. So we have to just keep an eye on whether any kind of call writing happening on this 24,300, 200, 100, today or not. And what's happening to the puts, whether we see any unwinding here. Unwinding means that that yes, people who have gone short on this level would start to cover them. That means the faith in this rally is getting diminished. So this is the overall setup. With this, I think I just want to now say best of luck for the trading day. Hopefully, we'll have a good closure. Thank you very much. Have a good day.